Today we're gonna explore the city of New York, beginning in the Bronx area. Then we're gonna explore the Plaza Bell, the Manhattan District, Central Park, and finally we're gonna go to the Starbucks Reserve Resort, passing throughout all the Manhattan District and all this magic city. Let's come with me. Today I started this trip early in the morning. We came out from Malta, New Jersey, towards Philadelphia. In Philadelphia, we changed the bus and we took a bus until New York City. This journey completely is approximately 5 hours, and finally we are arriving to the city of New York. We are arriving around 10, 11 in the morning, and we are arriving close of the Times Square. Here is where the bus stopped. After that, we went to take a bike to explore the city. First of all, we went to the Bronx, but I couldn't record it. The only that I could record it was this picture of this video of the bridge that it connects the Bronx with High Manhattan. After that, we direct to Central Park. We could see that the runners are working out. The people is gathered together with his family, people walking, people in bikes and all of that because indeed it's Central Park and everybody used to do what they want to do. Here we have the famous lake of Central Park. This lake in winter used to get frozen and the people used to ski and make all these winter activities. Here I am as evidence that I was in Central Park. It's not only a Photoshop or something like that. As you can see, Central Park is very huge. It took me approximately 40 minutes in bike to crossing from the north part to the south part. And all these buildings that are here used to conform the district of Manhattan. Here we were in the journey to the Hotel Plaza. The Hotel Plaza used to be in one corner of Central Park. We were arriving to the Hotel Plaza. We were recording Home Alone movie. After that, we getting it, and here you can see some pictures of some characters that have been accommodated in the Hotel Plaza. As you can see, one picture of the Beatles. Also, you can see here one picture of Marilyn Monroe. And then we start to explore Central Park. I mean, the Hotel Plaza. Here I am. All this luxury that it has, the Plaza Hotel with all this decoration and all of that. Here is the reception, and here are the lifts. I remember, or I remind myself of Home Alone when I was here in this spot. And then I went to the Apple store. This is the most huge Apple store in US. It's very enormous. It's very beautiful. Used to be the topic. Uh, Make yourself feel like you are in a green area, environmental, and all of that. A lot of people from different nationalities here in this living room. You can listen the speakers that used to offer Apple. After that, we went out and tried to explore the Manhattan district. It was like to be in a movie or something like that because it was so incredible to be here walking for these streets. It's a lot of traffic, a lot of chaos, but this is the magic of New York, you know? Here I was with the cell phone. Thanks to God, nobody ran me away. Then we took a bike because we were riding towards the Starbucks Reserve Resort. Here we arrived. The queue it was approximately 30 minutes, but we skipped the queue, and here we are in the Starbucks Reserve Resort, one of the seven that there are in all the worldwide. And then we went to the bar.
Yeah, let me. I'm recording one video for TikTok. And you record video for TikTok? Yeah. And then I'm gonna eat. First of all, let me. We're gonna do. No, we're gonna do it right now, right? Yeah. Take a TikTok and then text tomorrow.
We were talking about with the manager, trying to let them know that we wanted to go to the bar. We said that it was a TikTok video, but indeed it was from YouTube. After the talk, he let us know to enter. He was trying to explain me that he was only a drink area. If I wanted to order something, it was in the first floor. You know, this is the incredible of this Starbucks because you have a bar, you have a place to take your breakfast, your dinner. Also, you can take your coffee. Uh, all the machines to process the coffee are here. As you can see, here the coffee used to process all the grains, used to be extracted, the juice or the sauce substance of the coffee. A lot of people taking videos, taking pictures because this is remarkable because there are only seven in the world. After that, we are arriving to the toilets. I have curiosity because these toilets are binary. That means that everybody can enter. Here is the machines that process the coffee. And as you can see, all these tubes that are here are to direct and extract the juice of the coffee. Then we order food. We order a lasagna, we order a pizza, and we order drinks that are not used to be in the common Starbucks. Then here I took a picture of myself, and here is the receipt. It was $80. And then we started to see all the merchant that it has a Starbucks because this is not a common Starbucks. And this is Starbucks part that you can order food and drinks. Also, you can buy for merch, sweaters, t-shirts, etc. And then we went to the bar. This is alcohol fermented with coffee. It was a very delicious, to be honest with you. And here I have with my photo as evidence that I was here.